All right, so I want to show you how to trade using multi-time frame analysis. So how do you use multi-time frame analysis while you're trading to get in a trade or to get out of trade? Multi-time frame analysis means to switch between different time frames. So this is a trade taken today, January 29th, 2024. This was taken later in the day, I believe in the afternoon. 3:04, yep, afternoon trade. And so this was a 15-minute I was looking at, and I broke it down into the 15 seconds. So let me show you. Let me show you why. Just let it play, let it play. Matter of fact, I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like on a 15-minute. I had a point of interest on top that I knew was going to. It created this long wick, so I wasn't sure whether it was gonna go down or keep going up. So what I did, and what you do, is you want to switch to a lower time frame. I chose to go down to the 15 second. And let's see what happens. So I went down to the 15 second. For what you saw was a long wick, and this is what it looks like on a 15 second. And basically what I was looking for is a reversal pattern or a continuation pattern. What I ended up seeing, as you'll see in a second, I ended up seeing a continuation pattern. So what you want to do is you want to go into TradingView and you want to practice. You want to practice taking a trade. You want to go back to the beginning of the day and you want to practice as if you're trading that day. And in areas like what I showed you on the screen, where you see a long wick where it's going up and it looks like it's backing back down and you don't know what it's going to do, well, you just play it out on a replay, and then you go down to a lower time frame and you study the pattern that it did. You study what it did on a lower time frame, and you keep doing that over and over and over again until that pattern is in your memory, until it's in your brain, until your eye is trained to see it when it happens. So it can help you trade, take the trade or not take the trade. So if I fast forward, so there I am. I go back to another time frame because I'm doing multi-time frame analysis. I'm making sure my bias is correct. You know, I'm going up, and then I'm going back down. You know, I'm going down to the 30 second. I'm seeing what it looks like on different time frames. I see opportunity there, so I believe I took a trade right here, or soon. Yep. So I saw the pattern, the 3 push pattern, so I took the trade, meaning that it's continuing to go up. It's going to continue to go up. And yeah, so let's fast forward a little bit. And as you can see, that was the right call. You know, pull back a little bit, pull back into that order block right there. And again, once you do replays, you're going to just start picking up on this stuff. You know, if I go further, let's just keep going. See how this trade ended up. Oops, sorry, I went back. And on a 15-minute, when you use a 15-minute chart, you can make a good amount of bank. So let me play, and ended the trade with like 13 or something like that. Yeah, so it still had a good way to go. You know, I cut the recording short, but it had a good way to go up top. But yeah, 15-minute time frame is, yeah, I think I hit about 13 and that was it. Yep, I got out of it. Yeah, but I just want to show you the power of multi-time frame analysis, how you can use it to figure out what price is doing while you're in the trade, and the importance of back testing so you can recognize these patterns, you know. And during our one-on-one sessions, I will show you these patterns, continuation patterns, reversal patterns, but you can recognize this stuff just by back testing. So anyway, I hope this was helpful, and